Let's go to page 349 and start with number 1. Okay, so this is a complex fraction. So you have 3 over 4 minus 1 over 2 over 5 over 8 plus 1 over 4. Okay, when you have complex fraction, what you want to do is you want to multiply by common denominator for each term. So you're going to simplify from complex fraction into simple fraction. So this one you got 4284, so you want to multiply it by 8. Okay, and again you want to put on top, and you want to write down as you go. So this one, 8 and 4 you can cancel, you get 2, so 2 times 3 would be 6. So you can write it down right away so that we don't lose track of what you're doing. Okay, minus, so 8 and 2 can cancel, you get 4, so it would be minus 4. Okay, over here the 8 and 8 cancel, so you get 5, and 4 and 8 cancel, you got 1 and 2, so it would be plus 2. So you go from complex fraction into a simple fraction, and then from there you can just go and work it out. So you got 6 minus 4 is 2, 5 plus 2 is 7, and that would be your answer. Okay, next one. Okay, you got 3 over 5 plus, now plus 2, what you want to do, you want to make everything into fraction, right? So be just write, instead of write 2, you write 2 over 1. Okay, and this one again, write 2 over 1 minus 3 over 4. Okay, so right now your common denominator would be 5114, so it would be 20. Okay, so you need to multiply by 20. Again, write down what you need to multiply so that way you can visualize. It helps you to visualize and you cut down on mistakes. Okay. And again, as soon as you cancel, write it down so you don't get confused. So 5 and 20 you cancel, you get 4, so 3 times 4 is 12. This one it does not cancel, so it would be 40. 2 times 20 is 40. This one again does not cancel, so it would be 40 minus. Okay, 4 and 20 you cancel, you get 5, so 3 times 5 would be 15. Then after that you can go and simplify. So this would be 52, and this would be 25. And you also need to check if you can simplify. Okay? And leave your answer as an improper fraction. Okay? Don't waste your time trying to make into mixed numbers. Okay, number 5. Okay, you have 5x to the 3 over 3y4. Okay, over 10x over 9y. Okay, for this one, when you have fraction over fraction without any additional subtraction, you can use the outer over inner. So outside goes on the top. Okay, so it would be 5x3 and 9y. So outside goes on the top, the inside stays on the bottom. Okay, and after that you can go and start to cancel things out. Okay, so 5 and 10 cancel, so you get 1 and 2. 3 and 9 cancel, you get 1 and 3. And then x you can cancel out, so you get x squared. And y and y4 you cancel, you get y to the 3. So gather your terms, gather your factors. So it would be 3x squared on the top, and you get 2y3 on the bottom. Okay, let's go to the next one. Number 7. Okay, so you got 18 CD squared over 5A cube B over 12 CD squared over 15AB squared. Okay, so again you go and use the outer over inner, so outside goes on top. Outside over the inside. Okay, then after that, let's go and cancel things out. Okay, so 15 and 5 cancel, you get 1 and 3. And 12 and 18, you can divide by 6, so it'd be 3 and get 2. Okay, so I'm going to write my numbers before I forget. So it'd be 9 over 2. Okay, then let's go down the alphabet. So I got 8 and a cubed, so cancel, got a, so I end up with a squared. So I'm going to write it down before I forget. Okay, then go down to the b. So you got b squared and b, so cancel out. So I get b. I can write it down before I lose track. So go down the alphabet. Number A, B, and then do the C. The C cancel out, so there's nothing. D squared cancel out, so there's nothing, and so that's it. Okay, number 9. Got 3a cubed over 5b squared over 6a squared over 10b cubed. Okay, so again, let's go and do the outer over inner. So the outside goes on the top, and the inside goes on the bottom. Okay, and after that, let's go and cancel things out. Okay, so 5 and 10 divided by 5, you get 1 and 2, and this cancel out, and 2 and 2 cancel out. Okay, all the numbers are gone, and then alphabet, a cubed over a squared cancel, you get a, and b cubed over b squared cancel, you get b. So all you have is a, b. Okay, number 11, you have x plus 3 over 5 over 2x plus 6 over 10. Okay, so again, let's go and do the outer over inner. Okay, so outside you got 10 and x plus 3. On the bottom, so you get 5 and 2x plus 6. Okay, and if you notice that you can factor these, so let's go and do the factoring. So this one you can factor out the 2, so it'd be x plus 3. Okay, and then this can cancel out, and this would be 10 over 10. It cancels out, so answer equal to 1. Okay. Okay, let's go to the next one. Okay, so you have a over b plus, again I'm going to write 1 over 1. Okay, write everything as a fraction, and you got a over b minus 1 over 1. Okay, so the LCD is b, so I'm going to multiply everything by b. Okay, so this will cancel out, so I get a. And this one does not cancel, b plus b. This one, the b cancel out, so I get a. This one does not cancel b. Okay, and that's it. And check, see if you can cancel anything out, and cannot. Okay, so that's it. Okay, 15. Here's c over d plus 2 over 1. Again, write your number as a fraction. And you got c squared over d squared minus 4 over 1. Okay, so this one, the LCD is d squared. You got d1 d squared, so it would be d squared. So that's what you need to multiply. Okay. So d and d squared cancel out, so you end up with the d, so it would be cd plus 2d squared. Over here, the d squared cancel out, so you got c squared minus 4d squared. Okay, then you have to do factoring, so you got d, you can factor the d, so it'd be c plus 2d. Over here, this is the difference of square, so that's your step 2a. So it'd be c times c give you c squared plus minus 2d d. Okay, and then c plus d will cancel out. So your answer would be d over c minus 2d. Okay, 17. Okay, I can write 1 over 1 over 1 over 1 minus 1 over x. Okay, so common denominator is x, so multiply everything by x. So you can write down all your numbers as a fraction. Okay. So this one does not cancel, be just x, and this will be just x, and this will cancel minus 1. And that's it. Okay, let's go to 19. Okay, you have x over 1 plus 1 over y. Again, remember, when you don't have fraction, you just put over 1, make it into a fraction. Okay? Okay, so common denominator is y, so multiply everything by y. So this one does not cancel, be xy. This one, the y cancel out, so it be plus 1. Okay, over here be xy. And there's nothing you can do after that, so that's it. Okay. Okay, let's go to the next one. Okay, so you have 1 over x plus x over 1 over 1 over x minus x over 1. Again, when you don't have fraction, you just put over 1, make into a fraction. Okay, so your LCD is x, so multiply every term by x. So this will cancel out, so you got 1 plus x squared, and this one cancel out, so you got 1 minus x squared. Okay, and this one you can factor, but it doesn't do any good, so you can just leave it. Okay, if you know that you cannot cancel, you can just leave it. But if you're not sure, it's always good to factor it out and check. Okay, 23, you got 1 over 1 minus 1 over b over 3 over 1 minus 3 over b. Okay, so LCD is b, so multiply everything by b. You can make a good habit to write it down, and that way you can see what's been cancelled and what's left over. So this one does not cancel anything, so it would be just b. This one, the b cancels, so it would be minus 1. This one doesn't cancel, so it would be 3b minus the cancel will be 3. Okay? Then after that, you have to check for factoring. So this one you can factor out 3. Okay? And this one you can treat as a group, so you can cancel things out. Okay? So answer would be equal to 1 over 3. Okay, 25. Okay, you have 1 over 1 minus 1 over a squared over 1 over a minus 1 over a squared. Okay, so LCD is a squared, so multiply everything by a squared. So this one does not cancel, so you get a squared. This one cancel, you got 1. This one, the a cancel out, so you got a minus, and this can cancel, so it be 1. And this one is factorable. Okay, so this one you have to factor into a plus 1, a minus 1. And on the bottom, you get a minus 1. And then you can cancel the a minus 1. So your final answer would be a plus 1. Okay, let's go to the next one. Okay, let's go to 27. Okay, you have x squared over y squared minus 4 over 1 over x over y plus 2 over 1. Okay, so your LCD is y squared, so multiply everything by y squared. Again, write it down, it helps you to visualize. So this one cancels, so you get x squared. This one does not cancel, so you get minus 4y squared. This one, the y cancel with y, so it be xy. This one does not cancel, so it be plus 2y squared. Okay, then after that you have to factor everything, so this is just step 2a. So it be x plus 2y, x minus 2y. Right, that's just step 2a. On the bottom is a step 1, so factor out the y, so you get x plus 2y. And the x plus 2y will cancel out, and so this will equal to x minus 2y over y. Okay, let's go to next one, 29. Okay, you got 1 over a squared minus 1 over b squared over 1 over a plus 1 over b. So your LCD is a squared b squared. So a squared b squared, a squared b squared. Again, write it down, it helps you to visualize. Okay. So this a squared cancel out, so you got b squared. Over here the b squared cancel out, so you get minus a squared. Over here the a cancel with the a, so you get ab squared. This one the b cancel with the b, so you get a squared b. Okay, then after that you have to factor everything. So this is step 2a, so you're going to factor into b plus a and b minus a. On the bottom you have to factor the ab, so you're going to get b plus a. And then you got b plus a, they will cancel out. Okay, so you end up with b minus a over ab. Okay, let's go to number 31. Okay, so you got 2 over 1 plus 6 over x plus 3 over x over 1 minus 18 over x plus 3. Okay, so in this case here LCD is x plus 3. So multiply by x plus 3. Okay. So this one does not cancel, so you just multiply, so you get 2x plus 6. This one just cancel out, so it be plus 6. Over here, this one does not cancel, so you have to multiply, so you get x squared plus 3x. And this one cancels, so it be minus 18. Okay. Then after that, you need to go and factor everything. Well, actually, you have to combine these. Okay. So you're going to get 2x plus 12 over x squared minus 3x minus 18. Okay, go and factor the 2 from the top. And on the bottom, okay, you can go and get your master product. So you got negative 3, negative 18. So you're going to get 1 comma negative 18, 2 comma negative 9, and 3 comma negative 6. And that's the one. So you're going to get x plus 3, x minus 6. Okay, and let's see, 31. Oh wait. Oh, this is a plus. This is a plus, so I need the plus. So I need to get 6 comma negative 3. Okay, so I need to get minus 3 plus 6. There we go. Okay, and this will cancel out. Okay, so your final answer would be 2 over x minus 3. Okay. Okay, so this is the one. Okay, so I have to watch out for the sign. So again, it's very important. Make sure you watch out for careless mistakes. Okay. Okay, let's go to 33. Okay, you have 1 over x plus 1 over x plus 2 is whole thing over 1 over x minus 1 over x plus 2. Okay, so your LCD is x and x plus 2. So x and x plus 2. So you can write these things down, so when you cancel, you can see clearly what you have left over, and so you can know what to multiply. Okay. Okay, so the x cancel out, so you're going to get x plus 2. This one, the x plus 2 cancel out, so it'd be plus x. This one, the x cancel out, so you get x plus 2. And this one cancel out, so you get minus x. Okay, then you go and simplify a little bit, so you got 2x plus 2, and this one cancel out will be over 2. Okay, then go ahead, so again, this combined might cancel out, and this one give you 2x. And factor out the 2, and then the 2 can cancel out. So cancel out the 2, so you're going to get equal to x plus 1. Okay. Okay, 35. You have 2 over x minus 2 minus 1 over x plus 2 over 8 over x squared minus 4 plus 2 over x minus 2. Okay, before you get to your LCD, you have to factor these. Okay. So you can make sure your denominator is all factored. Okay, so this one you can factor into x plus 2, x minus 2. Okay. Okay, so once you factor this into this, you can see your LCD would be x plus 2, x minus 2. So it would be x plus 2, x minus 2. Okay, so x plus 2, x minus 2. X plus 2, x minus 2. X plus 2, x minus 2. Okay, so let's see what we got. Okay, so this cancel with this, so when you multiply, you get 2x plus 4. This one you cancel, so you have to be careful. That's a minus. So it would be minus x minus negative 2, so it would be plus 2. Okay, on the bottom, everything got canceled out, so you get 8. This one cancels, so you get 2x plus 4. Okay, combine the like terms, so this would be x plus 6 on the top. The bottom, you get 2x plus 12. Okay, and go and factor out the 2 on the bottom. And the x plus 6 cancel out. Okay, so the answer would be equal to 1/2.